Hi guys, here's wishing you all a Merry Christmas and an early New Year greetings 2020. I have recently acquired these two limited edition SLGs from Louis Vuitton. By now, I know a lot of you have already owned some of them. I just managed to get them not too long ago, and thanks to my friends who actually helped me to get these babies overseas. Yeah, kisses. It was sold out everywhere. I tried my luck everywhere actually. But well, it was all the rage in the past, I would say 1.5 months. And I was like, okay, really need to get it. They're so cute. So these are my Louis Vuitton Christmas collection 2019. I have two of these. This was first released in November 1st, I believe, November 1st, 2019. And the Christmas collection features the iconic Vivienne. You all know Vivienne. She's so cute. And this year she goes to Paris, to Venice, Shanghai, and Courchevel. So let's do the unboxing. Well, I've already actually opened it, but I've not used it, not even a single time yet. I was so excited. I was like, I need to open them and see how it looks. Yeah, so this one comes in a very big box and it has got this gift card. And I believe this is the new packaging. So it's just kind of like a snap closure, magnetic snap closure. And this is how it looks. So this is one of the items. Here it is. And oops, I've already actually kind of opened it. Ta-da! Oh, how cute is this? This is the pencil case, Vivienne on a gondola. And yeah, this is so gorgeous. Look at the detail of the detailing on the zipper pull. And then behind is blue. How gorgeous. Oh, blue leather actually. So this is canvas, printed on a canvas monogram. And then behind is also leather. So this is the untreated leather, I believe they call it. Gorgeous! And this is how it looks like inside. It is, I think it's kind of, I don't know, can you see? I think it's made of suede leather, I believe. Look at how gorgeous the blue is, kind of matching with the outside. There you go. Pretty. And then of course it comes with, so this one is called the Vivienne Elizabeth pencil case, or you call it the pouch. Comes with this and a little booklet as well. Yep, that's one. Let's move on to the next one, which is the more exciting one, I would say. Okay, let's keep this opened. This one is still in the old packaging. Well, I mean, I think most of it comes in like this. It's only during the Christmas period that they come in like this kind of box. So this, I think you can already guess from the size of it what it holds inside. So this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire in a monogram. And this print is called the Courchevel. Courchevel is actually a ski resort in France. I believe it is in the east of France. The Alps are in the east of France, so that's why you can see the Alps behind the snow-capped mountains. And then little Vivienne is on the ski lift, the gondola lift. And she has her luggage bag, and so cute. So this is also in pink color, because the gondola is actually in pink. So this is also in pink. It says made in France. And obviously the inside will also be in pink. Maybe you call this magenta because it's like darker than pink. So yeah, how beautiful is this? So cute. And I just kind of found out that yeah, you can actually just carry it like this on your hand or in the crooks of your arm. You know, it's just, I mean, it's a mini pochette. So what do you expect? You can't really put a lot of things, but you can, it's more like a catch-all, you know. You can put if you're on the go, and if you just need to, like for me, I would just, when I go for my yoga classes, I would just put some of my cash and tissue paper, wet wipes, and key, and some cards, and that's it. And then you're good to go. So cute. I actually wanted to get the Paris version very much, but yeah, I'm not giving up hope yet. I hope one day I can find it. So then I found out that you can actually also carry this as a sling across your shoulder. I'm going to show you how. So I have this leather strap, which I bought a few months ago, maybe half a year ago, and I haven't used it yet. I bought it because I wanted to add this to my I wanted to use as an option for my Felicie, Louis Vuitton Felicie, but I haven't really done that yet. So let's try and see how it works with this. Strap this on. Strap this on, and voila, there you go. So you can actually put the chain like this in front. This is how she looks strapped against my body. So it falls, the strap is nice. I mean, you can actually adjust the strap. So mine is on the longest. This is how she will look. This is how she will look. Perfect for on the go, and it's like an accessory. So this is it. Thanks guys for watching. Till the next time. Happy New Year once again. Bye.